too thin because you're going to be able to see the green through it if you roll it too thin. So it's probably going to stay about 1/8 of an inch thick. And then I'm going to cut, make sure you release it off the table, and cut, I don't know how many I need. I'll cut 3 to begin with. How about that? And you can do these in any color. You can do multiple colors, 3 different colors on it, you know, whatever your little heart desires. And we are going to cut off the little part right here that makes it look like a leaf, because it's not really a leaf. There we go. Add a little bit of water. And these are the balls I did that they're already dried now. As you can see, and they're really lightweight. And then I'm just gonna wrap it around like so. And I'm thinking I'm going to use 3 of these. A little bit of water. I'm going to make kind of like a triangle up here. Juggling balls are usually all different colors, and some of them, I mean, they juggle with everything. I have some triangle ones at home. They're like bean bags. I have some penguin ones. But the juggling balls I have are actually multicolored. And you can see it doesn't quite reach, but you know, that's the bottom. And it'll make it easier for it to sit.